Honorable Vice Chancellor, Madam Dr. B. Neeraja Prabhakar, Madam, to address the PG and PhD students who have come for this training program.
So it's very happy to start today's training program on horticulture entrepreneurship and leadership development program. So if you take a review, actually, so horticulture emerged as one of the potential enterprise in accelerating growth of economy. And you know very well, this 2021 year is declared as a international year for fruits and vegetables by United Nations. And so everywhere, everyone is today over the country and even world talking about these fruits and vegetables and its importance, gaining importance in this COVID situation. So that plays important role in the country's national security, poverty alleviation and employment generation programs is gaining importance. And presently, horticulture has established its credibility in improving income through increased productivity per unit area, that is, then generating employment, enhancing the exports. So thus the horticulture has moved from rural confines to the commercial ventures. So as per the present advanced estimate of the horticulture production released by Ministry of Agriculture today, July 15th, 2021. So India is expected to have highest ever horticulture production of 329.86 million tons this year, 2021, and increasing up by 2.93 when compared to the previous year. So this increased production has been registered with the production of vegetables, spices, medicine and aromatic crops. But the only one sector among the horticulture, all these inputs, so floriculture sector has been actually hardest hit by pandemic and its production declined by 7.17, that is the one in Lucknow. Then the production of fruits is estimated is about 102.76 million tons of this year when compared to the 102.08 million tons of last year. And while the production of vegetables is estimated as 196.27 million tons and increased up by 4.42% when compared to the previous year, that is 188.28 million tons. So the production of plantation crops was increased to 16.6 million tons from 16.12 million tons of the previous year. Actually, the production of spices has been increased to the 10.54 million tons, which was increased in the percentage is 3.93% of this year 2021 when compared to the last year, that is 10.14 million tons. So horticulture is a growth engine of Telangana state and chief source of income to the economy of our state. So in India, Telangana state stands for third in area and eighth in production and covering about 16.5% of the net sown area and contributes to the 40.5% to the agriculture GSDP. So there is a huge potential for horticulture sector growth which remains untapped. Hence, the horticulture has got vital role in strengthening of our economy by generating employment opportunities and earning foreign exchange. Then horticulture scholars have got wider scope in diverse fields for shaping their career. So with the objective of achieving more crop per drop and that is more income per drop and doubling the farmer's income. These are the keeping objectives and as per the self-income generation entrepreneurs. So in higher education institutions, entrepreneurship and leadership, that learning based on successful entrepreneurial role models may promote education for sustainable development as it provides adequate know-how and skills and motivate them to develop their entrepreneurial career. So in this entrepreneurship education programs, exposure to successful entrepreneurial models could be a significant factor for stimulating students' confidence in their ability to start a business and for improving their attitudes towards entrepreneurship. So mainly, so these sessions will go like interactive sessions with the speakers and more of practical visits, I hope. So when I am going through the schedule of these training program. So with the objectives of tuning the students towards entrepreneurship, SKLS TSHU has been organized the training program on horticulture entrepreneurship and leadership development program for PG and PhD students for 6 days. So which is started today, that is birthday of Sri Konda Lakshman Bapuji, and it is going to be end on the Gandhi Jayanti, that is 2nd October. So it is accidentally coincidence actually. So the main motto of this program is to create awareness and successful entrepreneurial role models and to build leadership qualities in the students which help in transforming horticulture graduates to successful entrepreneurs. So I wish you all the best to all students. So I suggest you all participate very actively, listen carefully, and you have to take these ideas that are given by successful entrepreneurs who are actually, some of them are alumni of our university only. So you carefully observe and then collect those ideas and interact with them, and don't feel shy to ask any type of questions to clarify your doubts. That is the one of the best quality of a student. So you have to always get clarification from the speaker and go with the full information to start you as an entrepreneur. So I wish you all the best once again. Thank you.